There's this interesting story making rounds here in Sekondi Takwa. The only day I make sure that on showbiz bars, we cut across right here in Sekondi Takwa, the Ghana Western region, and also outside of our region. Now, I wanna patronize the services of sex workers in Sekondi Takwa, especially in Sekondi, one year very one year careful due to insembia yatiti. Now it has been alleged that sex workers at Sekondi, they now sell their clients condoms. That is, they use condoms with the semen in it. They sell them to powerful people, like big men, powerful men. So this is kind of a spiritual something. Them necessarily Sekondi for no worry dream. Now, emerging reports from Sekondi indicate that sex workers who plied their trade around the Sekondi railway line station have now resorted to selling clients' condoms to some people, ostensible for ritual purposes. Now, according to reports, an old train station that is located at Sekondi Railway has been turned into a sex hub for female sex workers and their male customers, which have angered residents. One of the aggrieved inhabitants of the place spoke to Sky Power FM, saying the prostitutes have dominated a portion of the Sekondi community with their nefarious activities. Now, speaking to Nana Yaokumi of Sky Power FM, the man said a lot of drinking bars have been established in the area where the sex workers operate, play loud music till morning, thereby disturbing the peace of the community. According to the residents, these sex workers sell the sperms of their male customers for 10 cedis and above in a used condom. And some of these sex workers keep the sperms of their male customers and later sell them off to people who specifically come to purchase for unknown purposes, but we believe it's for spiritual purposes. The sources or the source said. Inti asama we are not saying don't patronize sex workers. I am not going to ask you to or not to, but let's all be careful. So producer a kahubia na show ye ya meche yeah Sekondi one na kono anhwe ya na wode hunsu no wode aka yeskadu na no so aba abaye insam bebre. So this is what's coming from Sekondi right here in our region. Sekondi Takwa, the metropolis here, Sekondi. What's the railway line hono? Rail line hono. Nta wana wonim sekunde ye no. Wata ko sekunde no. Won hwe na wanfa. Wankada no wo hyabre all because of sisimuda wonti no. Na ka akata no wo destiny wo hyabre na abaye odwan funu. Onya fine. But sex workers so mo so na mo yesa. Why? That's not why denta. Obia na Yankopon talent on the man. Obia na nesa no edwuma. And also one son edwuma is sex working. Why do you have to sell the destiny of your customers? Onya fine. Let's do better, because this I'm sure this is a criminal offense. So evidence be pay more physical. Now police phone us once us woman. On your ass and papa, on your ass and papa. Police veterans, this is a record of one casa no ya when they Japadina was what they ya. Police of our veteran. More yet. Let's all day are lane, Satan, sir. Let's all day our lane. Let me be also on it. Come on. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is Showbiz Bars, and it's been a pleasure serving you with all the juicy stories and trending stories right here on Showbiz Bars on Ideas GAT. Know that you can still get interactive with us via our social media platforms at Ideas GATV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Make sure to go to YouTube or go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification button so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime we post our content on there. You can also follow me on Instagram at miss_woman or Facebook at Sika Woman, and let's vibe there. Let's chill. Let's do more things. So what I say, let's do lots of things. But big shout outs to my production crew. Yes, Oye Prince Gogo, producer Bakope, and also technical man Bakope, Bishop Herman Sam, aka Adakope Mayor, Edumbanso Governor, Adakope Mayor. It's in a big house to you, all of you guys watching. Tomorrow morning at exactly 8:30 a.m. the team will sit down, the Omanda team will sit down and then talk about happenings in Western region and Ghana. No, I can say me now. So meet them at exactly 8:30 a.m. Now I mean I'd much now. 2 p.m. Pepe, you must see a shower had, so make a date with me tomorrow same time. Have a good day and enjoy the rest of your day, and take care of yourself and stay hydrated and stay safe. Adios.